Get a little closer. Throw them a little. Oh, not that close. They probably won't come up that close.
Kasi may nagtatanong na bakit ganito yung atari ko. Kasi ano siya guys, malamig siya kunti dito ngayon. It's You're welcome.
Get a little closer. Throw them a little. Oh, not that close. They probably won't come up that close. Yeah, throw a few more at the babies.
The babies. There you go.
A few for the mommy, the other one. Oh, see, the babies
They're
are
so
eating.
Cute.
He talks.
They're done.
He talks right now. Like saying, Sarah.
Probably save a few and then come back a little bit later.
He's just saying, Sarah.
Okay, later.
Mm-hmm.
They're so cute.
You love me.
I brought food for them. They're coming. Then oh, there's more there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are here now in Dad's Park. We just walking and kung sino yung nagtatanong na bakit ganito yung atari ko, kasi ano siya guys, malamig siya kunti dito ngayon. It's ano siya, 60 degrees siya ngayon, kaya ganito yung itsura ko, yung atari ko, kasi malamig konti. So nag-walk lang kami sa park ngayon. Nandito kami ngayon sa Dad's Park. Gloomy siya guys. Ngayon ay 4:30 na ng hapon. Kanina nag-feed ako ng ducks. Nagdala ako ng pagkain ng mga ducks. They're so cute. So wala lang guys, hang around lang dito. Na to guys is kagaya siya ng Stony Creek, pero yung Stony Creek merong party na hindi ganito yung itsura, na ano siya ng tubig, pero ito Ang Stony Creek din, meron siyang ganito na mga kakahuyan. Pero magagandahan ako dito sa Dodds Park kasi sa Stony Creek parang ang layo ng nilalakaran mo. Dito yung 2 miles ay ano lang, sandali lang. Kaya palagi kaming pumupunta dito sa Dodds Park. Hinihingal ako. Yung mga tao ngayon naka-jacket, kagaya ko, ganitong mga attire kasi hindi ina-expect na ganito yung temperature. Ngayon kasi yesterday sobrang init talaga. Parang 79 or 80 degrees yesterday. And bigla siyang bumaba today. 60 degree. So, ito yung attire. That's Michigan for you. Wala tayong magagawa dyan, guys. Hindi to Pilipinas. So, maglakad lang kami ngayon. Parang ano siya. Depende sa amin. Kami ni Ka, ano siya. Yung nilalakaran namin parang ano lang siya. 1.5 lang ata. Pero, kung nasa mood kami, 2 miles yung nilalakaran namin.
Let him go. He's literally straight up cold.
O diba guys, ang ganda ng panahon. Kahit gloomy siya, ang ganda-ganda talaga.
Give me a break.
I think it's time to take a pinch and go home.
Yeah, probably.
Call it a day. Everybody
Can I look at the
Yeah.
water? So this is the Clinton River, guys. Nakikita niyo yan. It flows throughout southeast Michigan, primarily in Macomb County. So ito yung palaging nakikita namin pag nag-walk kami. So ito yung afternoon walk namin, guys. Ito yung afternoon routine namin. Walk either iba-ibang park. So today we are here in Dodds Park, our afternoon walk routine. Usually ginagawa namin ay 2 miles. So ngayon ay ano lang, short lang nilalakaran namin. So ngayon pabalik na kami doon sa entrance.
1 eternity later.
So ngayon, guys, ay pauwi na kami. Natapos na namin yung ano namin, distance na i-walk. So it's a lazy Sunday. Mag-ano kami, after dito mag-dinner kami. So ngayon ay pauwi na kami. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next one. Don't forget to like, share. Bye bye. So nag-cross na kami sa bridge, guys. Ito yung bridge. Yan. At maybe pahinga muna kami bago kami uuwi sa bench. So here we are, nagpahinga kami sa bridge. Nagpahinga. So bago kami uuwi, pahinga konti. Tapos uuwi kami and mag-dinner.